All right. All right, this is a bush honeysuckle. Look at the size of this thing. I marked it. I gotta pull that out. Ooh, when I can. And I gotta get this out of here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wrap a chain around this and pull it with my tractor. Okay? I'll go get the tractor. Okay, what I got here is a bush puller. You can make one of these. It's just a loop of metal, 3/8 metal, 3 chains, all the same size, and a circular loop. What you do is you reach around this like that, and then pull the loop, the 3 chains, that kind of grabs it, and then you hook your chain from your tractor. Uh-oh. That don't go through there. Shit. Alright, here's what we gotta do. I'll put this through here. I'll put the loop through there. And tie it. And it'll hold. Okay. Now, I'll move the camera a little so you can see it. That worked? You see? I want the camera to fall over. It's on a hill. You need a rock or something put on there, or a couple of rocks. All right. Hopefully it'll stay right there. Now I'm going to back out. Watch. Woo. It don't come out so easy, does it? Don't come out so easy, so I'm going to show it to you. It's a big old rock. Big old rock there. Don't want that in the driveway. I'm going to show you this big old blaster. Look at this. This is one of them bush honeysuckles. It's getting ready. It might have berries on it this year. I don't know. Yeah, it's got them. It's got them. And them little berries will be planted everywhere. And they will grow everywhere. There will be millions of them. And you got to pull them out, all of them. Otherwise, they'll take over everything. So maybe I'll try to show you another one. By golly, I think it's working again. Believe it's working. This is the The old Sony, boy, it's a piece of junk. Mega Movie VX DSC 5600. Okay, here's what I did. I pulled out that one. That's the first one I pulled out. As I walk over to the other ones, I'm going to tell you that when my camera fell over, it landed on the lens and broke. And when I turned it off, it would never turn back on. So it just acts goofy. So it's time for to retire it. There's one more great big one I pulled out. And there's one there. Them are hard to get out, man. I pulled hard. I got them over there on the creek bank here. You see that? I ripped that one. That one broke off at the top. Here's where I pulled them out from. The creek bank's full of them, and I really need to cut them all down. And see that? I got them out of here. See, there's a couple of that light color sticks. All these, that's all that crap taken over. So, anyway, I was pulling them out here. And I finished up without a camera because my camera broke. And I got a new one coming in the mail. It came today. This broke yesterday when I pulled out those from over this driveway. See the driveway where the gate is? It had them growing in there, and they were too big to cut down and run over. I had to pull them out. So anyway, Petro 062 reporting for. Pulling out some of the bush honeysuckles. Yeah, honeysuckles. So go ahead and I'm going to try to get a video with this old piece of junk Sony camera. I charged up the batteries. It's got AA chargeables in it. I'll try to get a movie on there, okay? Okay, here's the thing. My new camera is a Canon S120, something like that. And I've changed to Canon because my Sony cameras just don't seem to hold up. I got like 5 or 6 of them, and every one of them just broke. But I could get a 3-year warranty on them. And the last one I had a 3-year warranty, and they said, no, it's too old to fix. They had bad sound, and it had popping sounds in the sound. So they sent me $100 for it. I paid $130 for it. So that's not too bad. So I took that $130 and I applied it to my new Canon. So I'll be turning on my new Canon today and see what the heck it's like. So I'll go ahead and end this video with, it keeps turning off. This thing keeps turning off on me. So it's gonna be all chopped up. But anyhow, I just got into the garden, and I am going to, the woods, and I am gonna fix it up. I'm gonna pull all them things out. Okay, this is what I drive on. My Forrest Gump mobile. Here, that right there. It's got a new motor. So anyway, it's Petro 062 reporting for Channel 62. Did I say that already?
Channel 62.